Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths. We will learn for exercise number 5.1 time. Try this. Write the AM or PM. Ravi starts the school at 8:45. So morning time, this is for Ravi start the school. So this is for 8:45 AM. Then second one, Ramya eats lunch at lunchtime for afternoon. So that one is saying for PM. Third one, Afrin sees the moon at 8:20. Moon is coming for night time. So that time is saying for PM. The next one, Kavi goes to the bed. So that is sleeping time. Sleeping time 9 o'clock is saying for PM. The sun rises at 6:10. So this is for early morning. So early morning you say AM. So easy to find out the timing. AM or PM, you understand now? Next one, example sum. School timetable. First bell for 9 o'clock. Prayer for 9:15. Class starting time for 9:30. Morning break time for 11 o'clock to 11:10. 10 minutes break. Then morning school closing time is 12:40 PM. Then next one. Lunch time for 12:40 to 2 o'clock. Afternoon school starting time is 2 o'clock. Afternoon break time for 3:20 to 3:30. 10 minutes break. Then evening school closing time for 4:10 PM. So this is the timetable. For example is given here. First one, find out the duration between first bell time to morning break time. So first one, bell time to break time. So 11 o'clock. 9 o'clock in between for 11 o'clock. Time to duration, find out U. So first is 11 o'clock. So write down for 9 o'clock. So 11 is the morning break time. First bell for 9 o'clock. So do for subtraction. Easy to find out how many hours in between the time. So 2 hours. So the time interval between first bell and morning break time is 2 hours. Then second one question. Find the time interval between the time of the class starting and the time of morning break. Class starting time is 9:30. Class starting time is 9:30. But morning break is 11 o'clock. So you do for break time for 11:10. Break time 11:10. Starting time for 9:30. 9:30. You do now subtraction. 11:10 minus 9:30. So you do the subtraction now and find out the time duration. 10 subtract 30 is not possible. So here 11 o'clock is changed now 10 o'clock. So 1 hour converted now 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 10 minutes is 70 minutes. 70 minutes subtracted 30. You get for 40 minutes. Then 10 hours subtract to 9 hours. So get for 1 hour difference. So the time interval between the closing class starting time and morning break ending time is 1 hour 40 minutes. Then same method here to use for third sum. Find the total time from starting of morning class to closing of afternoon class. So morning class starting time is 9:30. Evening closing time for 4:10. So how many hours to be here in the school? So class starting time is 9:30 a.m. Closing time is 4:10 p.m. So you convert now 4 hours. 10 minutes is converted now hours. So 4 o'clock is 16 hours 10 minutes. Then 9:30 is your starting time. So in between the time you can do for subtraction. So that is easy to find out the answer. 6 hours 40 minutes. This example school timetable is used to do for exercise number 5.1. So write down your school timetable of the following: morning school break time to morning school end time. So before that lunch time, so you should calculate for 9:30 to 9:30 to 12:40 is the morning time. But here asking the question for break time to school time. So break time is 11:10. 11:10 to 12:40 you get the time for interval for 1:30. 1 hour 30 minutes. So I write the answer 1 hour 30 minutes for morning break time to school ending time. Morning school ending time. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Then next one, school working time. So school working time starting time for 9:30. So morning close time for 12:40. So in between that time 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, after 12:30. 12:30 after 10 minutes is here. So 3 hours 10 minutes. So morning school working time is 3 hours 10 minutes. Same method used to calculate here. Afternoon school working time. So 2 o'clock is starting time. So 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock is starting time. Then 4:10 is the closing time. So 2 o'clock 10 minutes break is here. So I write now 2 hours for the afternoon school time. So next one, lunch break time. Lunch break time is 12:40 to 2 o'clock. So calculate and find out the answer for 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay children, easy to find out for match the following. So already you learned for AM and PM to convert now hours. 9:40 same time for 9:40 hours. AM is same time 6:25 hours. But 3:20, so you convert now 12 after 1, 2, 3. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 20 is the hours. Then 6:25, converted 12 after 6. You count now 12 after 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 hours 25 minutes. Then 6:25 PM is converted now 18 hours 15 minutes 25 minutes. Then next one, last one, 11:40 PM. So 12 after 11 you count it now. 12 after 11 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. 23, 40 minutes. Minutes is no changes. So write the same time 40 hours. Okay, this is for match the following. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, Fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third Roman letter, add the following. So here given the timing for 4 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 50 minutes. So first you do for addition minutes. So minutes 30 minutes and 50 minutes, 30 plus 50 get for 80. So 80 minutes you converted now hours. This is 0. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. But you find out the answer 6 hours 80 minutes. So 80 minutes you convert now. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So 80 minutes subtract 60. So you get now 8 subtract 6, 2. So this 1 hour is converted now here. 6 plus 1, 7 hours. So 80 minutes converted now 20 minutes. So 60 you take it out for convert now hours. So 6 plus 1 is 7 hours. So minutes is changed now 80 subtract 60. So 20 minutes. So minutes time for 20, hours time for 7 hours. Okay, you easy to find out this addition. This is the time to do for addition. Then next one, Sam. 4 hours 50 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. How to do now? So arrange the time for hours and minutes. Then do for 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 4 plus 2, 6. This is also same method. So 80 minutes you converted 60 subtract here. So 60 is take it out and write here 1 hour. So 6 plus 1 is 7 hours. Then 20 minutes. Then next one, third Sam. 3 hours, 1 hour, 45 minutes, 35 minutes. So 45 plus 35, 40 plus 30 is 70, 5 plus 5 is 10, 80 minutes. So 80 minutes again you get for 80 minutes, you convert now. 3 plus 1, 4 hours, 4 hours plus 1 hours, 5 hours. 80 minutes you converted. So 80 minutes you converted here, 1 hour is added here. So 80 subtract 60, 20 minutes. Then next one Sam, 1 hour 50 minutes, 3 hour 45 minutes. So do now 1 hour 50 minutes, 3 hour 45 minutes, 3 hour 45 minutes. So do now 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 3, 4. So 95 you get now. So 95 subtract 60. So 5. 9 subtract 6, 3. So 4 plus 1, 5 hours. So you write the answer now. 4 hours. So 95 minutes. So converted here 60 subtract here. So you added now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 hours. So 95 subtract 60 you get for 35. So 35 minutes. Then next one, last sum, you do it yourself, children. Then you find out the answer. Then next one, subtract. Subtract is given for first sum 5 hours 10 minutes and 2 hours 35 minutes. First one for addition. Then next one for do for now fourth Roman letter, subtraction. So 5 hours 10 minutes and 2 hours 35 minutes. Ready to do now. 10 minutes subtract to 35 minutes is not possible. So hours converted now 4 hours. So 1 hour is converted now 60 minutes. Hour to convert now 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 60 plus 10 minutes you added and get for now 70 minutes. So this is for 70. 70 subtract 35. So 70 minutes subtract 35. So 0 is not possible to do. So this is 6. This is 10. So 10 subtract 5. 5. Next 6 subtract 3. 3. Then next one 4 subtract 2. 2. So say the answer now. 2 hours 35 minutes. Then second sum, 4 hours 20 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes. So write the time. First one for 4 hours is bigger. So write the first number 4 hours 20 minutes. Then 2 hours is smaller number. Write down the next number, second number, 2 hours 40 minutes. Don't check and interchange for minutes. Bigger number eduthu first எழுதணும்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. So hours only you find out for which one is a bigger. That is the first number. So that number to take out and write the number for hours and minutes along to that one first number. Okay. So 20 subtract 40 is not possible. So do now. 4 is converted now. 3. So 1 hour given here. 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. So 60 plus 20, 80. So you get for 80. 80 subtract 40. So 0 subtract 0, 0. 8 subtract 4, 4. Then next one, 3 subtract 2, 1. So answer for 1 hour 40 minutes. Then next one sum, third sum. You try to do this. 4 hours 25 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. So 25 subtract 20 is not possible. So use the time method for 1 hour changed for before number 4 hours before 3 hours. So 1 hour is changed now 60 minutes. 60 plus 25 you added now get now 85 minutes. So 85 subtract 20. So 85 subtract 20 minutes. You ready to do and find out the answer, children. Okay, this one work out and send the answer. Thank you, children.